So for this video is another example on limits. So we have here limits of square root of x minus 1 over x minus 1 as x approaches 1. So again, if we will put 1 here and 1 here, then we can get the value of 0 over 0. So in this case, we have to find or use algebraic manipulation so that we can get a value from this function. Okay, so in this case, as you can see, square root of x minus 1 over x minus 1, you cannot cancel it out. You cannot cancel 1. That's not allowed. And also, dito rin, kung sa pera pa, sinsilyo na, no? Coins na po ito. So, what you have to do is to use the conjugate of this one. Conjugate of square root of x. So, that will be x plus 1 over x plus 1. Okay, x plus 1 over square root of x plus 1. And then, you have to multiply. Let's multiply this one with this one. So, using FOIL method, so let's multiply this one by 1. Square root of x times square root of x. Let me write it here. That will become square root of x. Okay, times square root of x. And then, next is square root of x times 1. Of course, that's plus square root of x. And then, negative 1 times square root of x. That's negative square root of x. And then 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Same is true dito sa baba. Okay, pero kung i-fuel kasi natin to, wala tayong maka-cancel out, ano? Kasi dito, x lang, dito square root of x. So, mas maigi na, we will just write it dito. Okay? Let's write x minus 1 times square root of x plus 1. So, that's, lagyan natin limits, tapos as x approaches 1. Tapos, as you can see, meron po tayong maka-cancel out dito. This one. Si square root of x minus square root of x. So, ang matitira dito is now, and ito din, if you will check that this is square root of x times square root of x is actually x. Kasi that is x raised to 1/2 times x raised to 1/2. Diba? Same base, we can add the exponent. So, 1/2 times 1/2 is 1. So, magiging, ano lang yan siya, x. So, let's write it here. It will become x. Ito yun. Minus 1, yung natira. All over x minus 1. Tapos, ang square root of x plus 1. And then, as you can see, meron tayo ditong x minus 1, x minus 1 cancel out. So, what is left is, ito na lang pong c1 over square root of x plus 1. Now, if we will substitute our 1 dito, it will become, because the square root of 1 is still 1. So, basically, the answer is, ito, 1/2. Okay, so, the answer sa problem na to is 1/2.